Let's learn indexing and slicing in Python. Imagine you just got a delicious pizza, but you don't want the whole thing, just the slice with extra cheese. What do? You slice it and pick a piece. Well, in Python, we do the same thing with words using indexing and slicing. Let's see how. Let's look at the word Python pizza. So, indexing in Python is basically giving a number to each letter in a word. So, what if I want H from this word? So, it starts from 0 in Python. So, 0, 1, 2, 3. To get H, I need to call the third index of the word. So, what I'll print is word and then the square brackets, and inside the square brackets I write the index, so 3. Now let's run it, and we see that we got an H here. So what if I want an I here? So I'll count from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The space also counts, which is 6, 7 and 8. So I'll print word and the 8th index, and it should return an I. It got an I here. Great. Now, what if I want to count backwards? I want the letter A. I want the last letter of the word. So, what I'll do is word and then just -1, and it will start counting backwards. So, this will return me an A. Now, what if I want the third last letter? So, it's simple. I'll say print word and -3. And that will return me the third last letter, which is AZ. Now let's learn about slicing. So slicing is basically getting a bigger chunk of a word. So not one letter, but if you want to get a chunk out of a word, then we use slicing. So for example, I want to get the whole of pizza out of this word. So what I'll be printing is word, then brackets, and then I will write the range inside these brackets by using a colon in between. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 7 is the index from where I want to start. 7 until I want to go to 8, 9, 10, 11. I want to go till 11, right? So I'll just say 11. And now let's run. So you see that when you go till 11, it just gives fizz because it does not include the last index that you index it on, right? So if you want to get the whole of pizza, you have to index it till 12. And now when we run it, it gives you the whole of pizza. What if I want to get the thorn here? So I'll just say print word, and then inside the square brackets I'll say 0, 1, 2. So it starts from 2 and then it goes to 3, 4, 5, and then we increase it by 1 and 6. So it will give us thorn here. Great, we got a thorn. Now another cool thing in Python while slicing is that when you want to start from the very start of the word, you do not need to write 0 in slicing. So word, and then you can just add colon, and then for example, if you want to get Python out of here, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you add just 1 to it, so 6. And now this should return us Python. And see, we got Python here. That goes same if you do not add an end range. It will just go till the end of the word. So for example, if I want from T to the end of the word, I'll just say print word, and I'll just say 0, 1, 2. So start from 2 and go till the end. And it gave us thorn pizza. Isn't that great? And that's it. You just learned how to grab letters like a coding ninja.